Assalamu alaikum, my name is Salman. In this video we just create a beautiful square basket. For this purpose I use a double-sided colored paper. You can use a simple colored paper as your need required. I use 17 by 17 centimeter. You can use any size as you want, but you must use a square paper. For handle of basket I use a length of almost 20 centimeter for handle of my basket. Let's start with a simple basket base. Simply fold inside the page. Next again we fold across same direction but opposite. Okay, after folding this we have a cross inside the page. Now we fold as a rectangular shape or square. Okay, I fold this again. Now I fold again opposite direction. Okay, after this we have a beautiful cross and plus sign in our page. Now the main trick and main part of this basket is to fold this. Now we can simply place the page and fold this inner, these edges put inside, and then I press these two handles like this, so we create the base of our basket. Okay, 1 second. Yes, now we simply press gently. Don't press too hard because paper may cut in this way. Okay, again open this and explain what I did. Simply I fold this inside and again press these two handles. Okay, now our first base of our basket is completed. Now we simply fold this outside again from both sides and fold this inside. After this folding I just create the handle of my basket. Okay, my design is almost done here. Now we fold, simply take this rectangular box and fold first inside, this time this like this, and open it again and fold inner side to make strength or strong handle of basket. Okay, I simply fold this both sides. Okay, now my handle is completed. We use at basket. Okay, now we place this handle at this. We unfold the corner and place it here. We do not use any type of glue or tape in making this basket. Now I fold this and make it like this and press gently. Okay, now again I making this step. Simply fold this handle and place inside this corner. Okay, place it and again press and again fold double time, again fold this. Now design is almost, handle of basket is fixed. Now next part is little more tricky. Simply you must watch this step again and again. Simply we open this part and this corner place here, this corner place curved and place here like this and press it. Simple. Again this corner place here, simply curved and place and then press gently. Now same step other side of basket. Okay, almost our design is completed. Next part is to fold this. Now we open a little and then this corner place here, this corner place here. Simply we curve this and like this. same step procedure from this corner, place here. Okay, fold this, and if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos, and you can ask question if you want. Okay, almost our basket is done like this. Now we open this basket from inside and simply press from inside and bottom. So we'll just like this. Almost our basket is completed. Okay, these two handles, these two areas is open. Now the main part is to curve and placed inside the basket to make a perfect shape. Okay, now we simply press from here and here. No, in this way the basket is not open, stay in one piece. Okay, now again this step, press little press, not much harder. Okay, I press this, and again from outside press this like this. Okay, as you can see, our basket is completed. Oh, 1 second. Okay, our basket is completed. You can place any type of material in this basket and serve it there. Thank you for watching, and Allah Hafiz.